Hello everyone, welcome to the course Data Modeling and Database Administration. This is Dr. Mariam Hassanlou, the professor of this course, and in this short video I'm going to talk about the course and our plan for upcoming 8 weeks. At first, I need to tell you that this course, the modality of this course is hybrid. It means that you need to join our live weekly sessions on Zoom based on the schedule that you can find on your Moodle course page. And at first, I need to tell you about the course. The course is about the database administration. Nowadays, data is not like 20 years ago that all the time we had issue with gathering data and working with data. Nowadays, organizations, for creating competitive advantages for themselves, they had to deal with data. They had to struggle with big data that is identified by three V's. Three V's that it means that variety, velocity, and volume. And these kind of data sets, they're so massive. And actually, as I said, that they are identified with variety and velocity. They are changing all the time rapidly. And it's not possible to manage this kind of data, work with this kind of data using contemporary traditional filing system. That's why you need to know some sort of structure, technologies and applications for preparing, gathering, organizing this data set, and then analyze, prepared and ready for analyzing and taking advantage of data. In this course, I try to give you some sort of applications like Visio, SQL, and like this. This is so applicable for you for your future professional life. But before going forward, I need to tell you about the assignment. That is the most important part of each academic program. Let me go to your course page and then we will talk about the details about the assignments and our expectations. Share my screen, and then this is your course page, Data Modeling and Database Administration. At first, you need to see, you need to take a look at my, getting familiar with my background, my profile, and then my welcome letter to find about the expectation and initials that you know before attending the class, my contact information. Anytime that you have any questions, you need to send emails. But in the email, please, in the subject of your email, please write the course, because I have many courses, and that's why for actually speeding your reply, it's better to tell myself about the course ID or course name. And then you can find the textbook information here and scroll down. For each week, you can find the material, PowerPoint, assignments. And in week 1, I shared a video for you about the Learn. That's very, very helpful. Please, please, please watch this video. It would be very helpful. How to use Learn. That's full of articles, journals, and books that would be helpful as a source for writing your case study, your weekly learning engagements, and also final research paper. Rupali prepared this video for you. It's really, really helpful for you. It's highly recommend to watch this video. And every week I share with you 2 articles. I try to find the most updated articles for you in 2 videos related to the topic of the week. Each week, you have 2 constant assignments, learning engagement and weekly quiz. Learning engagements has 2 parts, your main post and your participation ends in replying the others post. It means your peers, your friends post. The due for your main post would be Wednesday night of each week, and due for your 2 participation would be Sunday night. And make sure that you use APA standard for writing LEs, and also you install your Grammarly account and you check your writing on Grammarly. And weekly, as your class is hybrid, the time for taking quiz would be the 15 minutes of end of your class time. It should be taken during the class time at the end of class. And the other assignment that you have would be on week three. Week three, you need to submit your title justification and brief justification about the purpose of your final research paper, title of your final research paper, and your plan for doing. It should be very, very helpful to find your way, because we try to balance your work during 8 weeks instead of postponing the all workload to the week eight. That's why we try to balance it. Week three is a time for submitting title justification, and then you don't have midterm exam, just quiz for week four, like every week. And week five is the time for doing case study. You have just one case study, and this case study is going to be group homework. That's why at week first, I will ask you to find your groups. If you know each other, you can group yourselves in students of 3. And if you don't know, I will assign you in groups and I will share my assignments to you. And week 6, the time for submitting your draft. Whatever you have and what you have done so far, you need to submit in a draft for me, and then I will back with some feedbacks. And then you have 2 weeks from week 6 to week 8 to update, improve, and edit for final submissions. Week 7, you have just LE and quiz, and for week 8, you will take final exam, you will submit learning engagements, and also final research paper and presentation. Presentation means 2 section submission, one PowerPoint, 10 to 15 slides extracted from your final research paper, and your presentation. It means you need to record 5 minutes Zoom or other types of videos that you feel comfortable. You need to record 5 minutes video, talk about final research paper on your PowerPoint presentation. That's why you need to submit 2 files, PowerPoint and video. This is all you need to do for this course. And anytime that you have questions, this is a hybrid class. That's why we have no issues about live discussion. And every week I will go in details of the assignments. But anytime that you have questions, concern, issue, just send me an email. I will back in few hours. I hope you have a great experience with me during this course, and see you. Bye-bye.